A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and the last one is Z. Black color, white color, yellow color, silver color, dark pink color, sky blue color, orange color, light green color, red color, light pink color, blue color, dark green color, brown color, Persian blue color. To do writing capital letter of alphabet A to Z. Stay with us. First we are using the color of blue and now we're writing the alphabet of A. The next one is B, C, D for dog, E, F, G. The next one is H, H for hand, I, J, K, L, M. The next one is N for nose and for nest. Red color, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W. The next one is X, Y. Geranium color, geranium color. The next one is forest green color, forest green color. Yellow green color. Stay with us. The next one is light violet color. Now we open warm gray color. Kids, the next one is deep olive green color. Stay with us. Persian blue color, Persian blue color, raw silk color. Kids, the next one is scarlet color, scarlet color. Now we open the color of cream, and the next one is pale blue light color, pastel pink color, yellow color, yellow color. The next one is vivid green color, vivid green color. The next one is rose big color, and the next one is vivid purple color, coral red color, mint blue color, lavender color, emerald green color, black color. Stay with us. Baby blue color, pastel pink color, and the last one is cool gray color. A, B. The next one is C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R. Baby blue color. A, B, C, D, E. The next one is F. F for fish, F for fan. Now we're using the color of pale pink. G for God. The next one is H. H for hand. I for eyes, I for ice cream. The next one is J. Now we draw the alphabet of K. L. The next one is M. M. N. The next one is O. P. Q. Q. R. Thank you so much for watching.